Hello guys, today I am gonna show you 3 amazing Telegram bots. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to get awesome videos. Let's go. Open Telegram app, go to the search button and type Minbet. Now click on Not. As you can see the first bet, click on the bet. Start the bet. Now, type Minbet space, type whatever you want. As you can see, it generates many memes for you. You can download it and save to your phone. Second Telegram bet. Go to search button and type Shazam, download a bet. Click on the bet. Start the bet. Select language. Now you can type any song name. It will send you many songs. You can download it and save to your phone. If you are loving our videos, please like and subscribe. Third Telegram bet. This is the most important and amazing Telegram bet. It will give you all categories, channels which you are interested. This is the most beautiful app. You can search anything you want. Don't miss it. The bet is called Search Bet. Click on the bet and start the bet. Select your language. As you can see, it gives you more channels like travel, about Instagram, and many more games channel which you can go through and download it. It helps you in various things like downloading wallpaper, sports which you like, cricket, football, and many channel it will provide you. I hope you enjoyed this. If you need more Telegram apps and website, then make sure comment. Thank you for visiting our channel. Take care. See you again.